Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aarti and I make videos about makeup, skincare, product review and many more. So if you are interested in these topics, then you can definitely subscribe to my channel. So today we are going to talk about this brush set from Swiss Beauty. We are going to figure it out, is it really worth it or not. So first thing first, let's look at the packaging. Can we talk about the packaging? How cute is it? This set has 6 brushes. Each one is designed for a different purpose. Let's break it down. First आपको इसके अंदर मिलता है ये fluffy powder brush. Second is this flat foundation brush. Third is this eyeshadow applicator brush. एक small blending brush, concealer brush और एक angular brush for eyebrows. Honestly, this set seems to have it all. Except one thing जो कि है एक बड़ा eyeshadow blending brush. तो चलो अब बारी है इन brushes को try करने की. Alright, so I have my foundation and my concealer ready and I'm going to use this flat brush first. So I'm taking this foundation first and apply on my face in dot and after that I'll blend it with this foundation brush. Wow, it feels super soft on my skin. It blends like a magic. I'm already a fan. Now for the concealer. I love how precise is this. Now we're gonna use this fluffy powder brush to set our makeup. Here's my setting powder and let's try out. Oh my god. It's so smooth. It's so smooth, like I don't know. As you can see, it's like कितना amazing तरीके से मेरे powder को set कर दिया, मतलब amazing. Now let's do some blush with this same brush. Wow, amazing. Not too much, not less, just the right pigment. अब तक तो सारे result amazing रहे हैं, but the real test, the eyes. Let's see how they do with eyeshadows. First, I'm putting some eyeshadow with this applicator brush, and now I'm going to blend with this small blending brush. The way it's blend all together is amazing. So my eyeshadow is complete, and now I'm going to fill my eyebrows with this angular eyebrow brush. मैं इस उंगली की हेल्प से अपनी आईब्रोज को कॉम करूंगी एंड देन उसके बाद हम आईब्रोज को फिल करेंगे. Now I take some brown powder and apply. Done. 2 सेकेंड में मेरी आईब्रोज कैसे सेट हो गई. This brush is amazing. Okay, so I'm going to finish off this look and then we will talk about the final results. So I am back and here is the final look. Honestly, these brushes give me such an effortlessly application experience. So are they worth it? 100% yes. हाँ, बट एक चीज़ जो मैं ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगी, अगर इन आई शेडो ब्रशेस के अंदर एक बड़े वाला ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश होता then it would be much better. But overall brush set is amazing for beginners or anyone who are looking to upgrade their brush game without breaking the banks. This is perfect. Soft, versatile and perfect for all your makeup needs. So if you want to give it a try, I will leave the link in the description below. So if you like this review, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment what makeup product you want me to review next time. Till then, take care, stay fabulous and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.